Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Montana 3812 MS. It's a master suite. I'll show you what we're talking about in a minute. It's just kind of hard to fit it all in here. We've got so many of these Keystone Montanas in stock. It's okay, we always sell them all. LED light ropes behind our power awnings, outside speakers, and 2-inch thick sidewalls. Most of them are like an inch and a half. You'll see them delaminate. You'll see they don't have this high gloss finish. They look chalky after a few years. This one's going to look great forever. Fiberglass cap in the front with LED lights built right in. We've got the Road Armor hitch. Also have the Road Armor suspension. Not only that, we have automatic leveling and 6 jacks. 2 up front, 2 in front of the tires, and 2 behind the tires. So when these jacks are down, this is one stable platform. Master suite because we got this huge slide out. This slide out continues into the bathroom. We'll check it out when we go inside. Just finish our walk around here. See on the back side we've got receiver hitch, solar plug and play, camera ready, the automotive style frameless windows, built-in ladder, lots of awnings. And the LED light ropes, of course, they don't attract the bugs to your campsite either. 3812 MS, 4-season, that's our better insulation package. There's your suspension, if you can see it there. We got the step above steps, they're nice and solid. Give you a real good purchase to walk on. Motion sensing lights, those are great at night. When you walk by, or you can get close, they come on. Check this out. Solid surface countertops, kind of the brick with the gray flooring, the carpet, and tan. Got a whole bunch of colors going on here, but they all seem to work. We have some accent lights throughout. You can see different areas here. Several different types of lights too. We've got accent lights on the roof, ceiling lights, ceiling fan, built-in speakers, 4-door refrigerator here. It's got the big oven. Not going to burn your biscuits in that baby. 3-burner stove. All the storage that this thing contains. You've got, of course, dual basin sinks, but look at, we have drawers. We've got places for pots and pans, places for a garbage pail. Sofa in the back with armrests on each side. Lots of windows to enjoy the view. Roller blinds, roller shade, glass panel cabinets. Big TV. It's a Jensen. Got the electric fireplace down below. Our audio receiver right here, it's also Jensen. And of course, opposite here we have Thomas Paine lounge chairs. Looks like we got power loungers with a USB. There's also USB here you can plug in, or a smart device. Cup holders, and it can be a sofa too. Oh, almost forgot. Pantry area over here. There's enough food to last a while, and you see how that light just came on of its own. There's a kick sweep. If you get some pine needles secured, you can just tap this, and the vacuum will suck up any debris. Then you're done dealing with that. More storage. There's even storage up above. We've got fantastic fan overhead, as well as a regular rotor blade fan. This table does extend out. Kind of neat how these work. The folding leaf comes out and it stows away nicely. Power strip hides away too. You can push that down so it's out of the road. As we walked in, we have a little coat closet here and a everything right here in one easy to read place. All your slides, your tank monitors, that sort of thing. Let's go up to the master suite. Voila, here we are. King size bed, nightstands on each side with plug-ins on each side, lights overhead. We've got this big old closet, slider open, and lots of room for clothes. There's also a built-in dresser, another Jensen TV over the top. His and hers closet could be, look at all this wardrobe room here. Extra chairs for the dining room, more wardrobe space, and we step down into our bathroom. Stainless steel sink, extra large medicine cabinet here. Residential height too. Everything's not short like it is in some travel trailers. Molded fiberglass shower with a skylight over the top, another fantastic fan, foot flush porcelain toilet, and we've got linen storage, which is almost not heard of in trailers. So RVs, fifth wheels, whatever you want to call them. Come check out this 2020 3812 MS. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.